What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Mr. Ranieri. Let's get into this. We are going to learn how to use the terminal, this thingy in Raspberry Pi. You can also get to it from the main menu, and you can go to, where is it? Somewhere, accessories, terminal. Beautiful. Now the terminal is really cool because you can type commands to do stuff. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so it's a little easy to read. Alright, so rather than using the mouse, we can be like a full-on hacker and we can type commands in the terminal. For example, I can type the command pwd and that will print the working directory. Directory is a folder, right? So this will print the folder that I'm in. When I say print, I don't mean it'll, print out a piece of paper. It'll just print it to the terminal. It'll show it on the window. So I'm in a folder called Pi. What's in this folder? Well, I can list ls the files in my current folder. These are the files that are in this folder. You can also go straight to a thing that's kind of like Finder on a Mac or Windows Explorer on Windows. You can see, sure enough, there's a folder called Home. Inside there is a folder called Pi. And there are all of these folders like desktop and stuff. Okay, cool. Well, that's neat. But maybe I would like to make a new file. I think I will, actually. Yeah. There are a few ways to make a new file. We can use Nano, which is a text editor, and I can make a file called, nose.txt. I'm just going to make a plain text file. Type that, and then press enter, and that will run that command. And now you can put stuff in this file. Well, this is nose.txt. I guess I'll put some things that are appropriate for a nose. The commands down here are really confusingly written. This symbol here is for control. Control O is to write out, to save the file. So we can use hold control and press O. And that says, what do you want to call it? Well, nose.txt is what I'm going to call it. So I don't need to type anything. I can just press enter. Yay, it wrote 3 lines. Good job, Nano. Good job, text editor Nano. It saved my file. Of course, I can add additional boogers. And that's fine. You can have as many boogers as you like. There's no judgment here. When you're ready, though, you can hold Control and press O to save it. And then you can do Control X to exit. I didn't pick these letters. Someone else did. Anyway, Control X. Beautiful. Now, hopefully that, if I go ls, is a new file that is in here. And sure enough, I can check it another way. I can go in Pi. I can go in this File Explorer thingy and see that it's made this new file called nose.txt. I could check to see what's in it. I can do cat nose.txt. The cat is what you use to explore files, to print out files. Yep. Cat. There is a reason it's called cat, but it's a pretty silly name, really. Anyway, you do cat, the name of the file, and then it will tell you what is in that file. Notice that there are some tricks that you can use. I just typed NO and then press tab. Now that is really important because it's going to help you a lot later. Like if I tried to do cat, nose, and I press tab, nothing comes up. Yeah, isn't that strange? And you can probably see why. I did a capital N here, whereas it's meant to be a lowercase. They're different files. So if I do NO and then press tab, it auto-completes, which saves me time in typing, but also it lets me know that I've got the right one. And that is how you can save a file.